Hi student, today we will discuss about topic on coelom. Previous class is completed here, various type of coeloms in the animal kingdom. So actually coelom is acoelomate, pseudocoelomate and eucoelomate. So previous class acoelomate and pseudocoelomate completed, and next is the eucoelomata. What is the eucoelomata? What is the eucoelomata? So eucoelomata meaning true coelom. Eucoelom meaning true coelom. Listen here. Coelom meaning eucoelom. So is fluid filled cavity lies between body wall. So body wall and visceral organ by the mesodermal peritoneum is called coelom. Once again, so coelom otherwise called procoelom is fluid filled cavity that lies between body wall and visceral organ by the mesodermal peritoneum is called coelom. So the mesodermal peritoneum meaning, so the mesodermal peritoneum actually it is a double layered wall. So this double layered wall splitting into two layers. So which layer? One of layer is somatic layer or parietal layer. Somatic layer or parietal layer. Somatic layer or parietal layer. So parietal layer. So otherwise it is a visceral layer or splanchnic layer. So mesodermal peritoneum split into two layers. So that is a peritoneum layer. That peritoneum layer. So parietal peritoneum layer, visceral peritoneum. Parietal peritoneum otherwise called somatic layer. Why? Because it is underlying the body wall. Hence they are called parietal peritoneum or somatic peritoneum. So visceral peritoneum or splanchnic layer. Splanchnic meaning the visceral peritoneum. It is covers the portion of the peritoneum that covers the visceral organ in the splanchnic peritoneum is called visceral peritoneum. The portion of the that cover the visceral organ is called visceral layer or splanchnic layer. So as well as here the double layer peritoneum that connect into the visceral organ and body wall is called mesenteries. Do you understand? So once again, the double layer peritoneum that connect the some visceral organ to the body wall is called mesenteries. So that is a mesentery. Next, as well as in the vertebrates of animal kingdom, certain organs such as the kidney of vertebrate are covered by the parietal peritoneum, only ventral side. Such peritoneum is called retroperitoneal organ. So retroperitoneal organ example kidney. Once again, is that clear? Certain organs such as the kidney of vertebrates are covered by the peritoneum layer only on their ventral side of such peritoneum is called retroperitoneal organ. So is it clear? So as well as true coelom also called secondary body cavity. Is also secondary body cavity. Secondary body cavity. Two-cilium also called secondary body cavity. Based on the mode of formation. Based on mode of formation, coelums are two types. Coelums are two types. So, which type of coelom? Cytocoelom and enterocoelom. Cytocoelom, enterocoelom. Cytocoelom diagram here it is a cytocoelom. So, anterior side annus, posterior side mouth. Here, reverse. Anterior side mouth, posterior side annus. So, so between is the blastophore. So, these are pouches. So, first of these cytocoelomate. So, cytocoelomates are protostomium. All cytocoelomates are protostomium. What is the cystome? So, what is the cytocoelomate? Cystome meaning spilled. Which is the spilled? Mesodermal spilled. The coelom is formed from this splitting of mesoderm is called cytocoelom. All cytocoeloms are protostomium. What is the protostomium? So the blastopore develop into mouth. The blastopore develop into mouth is called protostomia. We are already protostomia. All cytocoeloms are protostomia. So as well as in cytocoelomate cleavage is holoblastic. So holoblastic cleavage. Holo meaning total divisions. Holoblastic and spiral determinate. Holoblastic spiral determinate. So I will answer once again. The blastopore develop into mouth is called cytocoelomates or protostomia. The blastopore develop into protostomia. So in cytocoelomata, cleavage is holoblastic spiral determinate. So as well as cytocoelomate example. So example of cytocoelomata, Annelida, Arthropoda, and third one is a mollusca. So that is the best example of bilateral or triploblastic animals. So here, so that is a cytocoelom. Did you understand? So very important. The blastopore develop into mouth. They are called protostomia. So all protostomias are cytocoelomate. All cytocoeloms are protostomians. So I will answer it. Next is a enterocoelomate. So what is the enterocoelom? Enteron. Ent meaning get. Coelom meaning cavity. Animal in which the body cavities is formed from the mesodermal pouch of archenteron are called enterocoelomate. Archenteron, blastophore, pouches. Once again, here an animal in which body cavity is formed from the mesodermal pouch of archenteron are called enterocoelom. So here archenteron. So as well as here, so enterocoelomate, the blastopore develop into anus. After then later formed is mouth, secondary cavity. First cavity is the anus. The blastopore develop into anus. So they are called deuterostomia. So enterocoelomate. So best example, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. Once again, so here enterocoelomate example, Hemichordata, echinodermata and chordata. Very, very most important. So as well as all enterocoelomates are deuterostomia, and they show to the radial indeterminate cleavage. Radial indeterminate cleavage. So that is the enterocoelomates. So as well as archenteron and blastoceles are fused to form enterocoelomes. So that is the enterocoelomata. So as well as once again, so enterocoelom meaning the animal which the body cavity is formed from mesodermal pouches. Here mesodermal pouches. So archenteron are called mesodermal pouches. Archenteron is called enterocoelomate. Example here echinodermata, hemichordata and chordata. So dear student, a neat purpose, very, very most important, don't confusing. So once again recalling here, acoelomate, coelom is absent. Best example plant helminthes. Plant helminth example liver fluid, Taenia solium, Dugesia convoluta, like that example. That is the acoelomate. Pseudocoelomate, nematoda and Protifera. Pseudocoelomate. So the false cavity is present. Nematoda. Nematode example Ascaris, roundworm, Enterobase vermiculus, pinworm, Ancylostoma, hookworm. So these are a best example of pseudocoelomate. And eucoelomata, here true coelom, eucoelomate are divided into two coelom, Scheidocoelom and enterocoelom. So here Scheidocoelomate example here, Scheidocoelom. So Scheidocoelomates are protostomians. The blastopod develop into mouth. Example Arthropoda, Annelida, mollusca. The cleavage is spiral determinate. And enterocoelomates are enterocoelom. Best example echinodermata, hemichordata, chordata. So very, very most important all examples. Don't confuse them. Read again and again, and remember it in your mind. Thank you, my dear friends.